Hello everyone and welcome to the Sincere Lifestyle channel. As you know, my name is Karen and I am a registered nurse who works in the ER. So I'm an essential worker who is working in the front lines during this time of COVID-19. And what has been keeping my immune system strong is just drinking herbal teas and also inhaling from a diffuser with essential oils. So I'm going to give you some tips and some how-tos on how to keep your immune system strong and your mind and body at ease. Now, essential oils and teas has been used for many centuries to help the mind and body in more ways than one. There are different types of essential oils that can improve your respiratory health, promote good sleep, improve a person's mood, boost the immune system, increase one's energy, reduce stress and anxiety, and it has many more other functions. So in a diffuser, I place a combination of 1 or 2 essential oils within the diffuser and I inhale it, and that can be just placing it in a room and just sitting next to it and just breathing the air, placing it next to your bedside as you go to sleep and just inhaling the air. And this has so many benefits for the mind and body. Now, my favorite first combination is oregano oil, ginger, and lavender. The next combination is eucalyptus, lavender, and sometimes I use thyme. The last combination is rosemary and tea tree oil. Now, these oils contain antibacterial and antibiotic properties that boost the immune system, benefiting the airways of the lungs. Now, after a 12-hour shift, I am tired, I want a calm and restful sleep. I use a combination of lavender and chamomile oil in my diffuser. Now let's talk about teas. I love drinking different types of herbal teas. Now, some immune boosting teas that I have been using while working in the ER are teas like, for instance, ginger tea. Now, this tea has been used for many years to combat cold and flu around Asia. It also helps expand your lungs and loosen up that phlegm that you have within your air sacs. So it's a good tea to open up the airways. Elderberry tea has been used for many centuries as home remedy to treat cold and flu. It is also known to reduce the severity and duration of an infection if taken within the first 48 hours of your first symptoms, such as a sniffle, cough, sore throat, taken within those first 48 hours. Now, researchers have also found out that people who take elderberry have higher levels of antibodies against recent flu viruses. Now, dandelion root tea is also beneficial. Some researchers indicate that dandelion may have antimicrobial and antiviral properties which could support your body's ability to fight an infection. Now, there are several test tube studies that was found that supported dandelion extract, saying that it significantly reduces the replication of viruses. Now, green tea. Green tea is so popular, it is used across the country. A review of the medical literature on green tea says that it is high in antioxidant content. Its antioxidant activity helps support your body when it's under attack in any type of environmental factors. It also prevents intruding infections. So researchers has also concluded that green tea provides immune support and helps encourage a healthy metabolism. So sometimes I combine elderberry tea with dandelion or elderberry with just another tea as well. So it's good to just combine them and see what tastes and see what benefits you would like to do for your body. Now, I hope you found this information beneficial and hopefully it helps you as much as it helped me during this time of COVID-19. I want you guys to stay safe, protect yourself, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
Hit the subscribe button and press like on the video. See you next time.